Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we're making ice cream cone cake pops. Brilliant for the kids. Let's get started. For the cake batter, in a bowl add 250 grams of chocolate cake mix, 100 grams of icing sugar, 3 eggs, 100 milliliters of milk and 150 milliliters of oil. Whisk them together. Now use an ice cream scoop to put some of the mixture in the bottom of a cone. And we're going to bake that in the oven at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. Now for the buttercream. You want to cream 200 grams of unsalted butter using a whisk. Then add in 100 grams of icing sugar and blend. Now pour in 50 milliliters of milk, mix that in, and then add 100 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Give it a good whisk. Keep going until the mixture is white and fluffy. Now use a spatula to add some buttercream to 2 separate bowls. Let's add food gel colour to each, starting with blue. Mix that up. And now let's do pink. Let's get our chocolate cone cakes out of the oven. To the first, we're going to pipe on white buttercream, leaving a place in the middle for chocolate ganache, some sprinkles, and top it off with some more white buttercream and a cherry. Next, let's go for the blue buttercream, piping it on in the same way, leaving a hole in the middle for the chocolate ganache. Add on some sprinkles and finish it off with blue buttercream and a chocolate ball. And let's do the pink buttercream now. Chocolate ganache in the middle as before, and yep, sprinkles. Finishing it off with more pink buttercream. And finally, a pearl sprinkle on the top. And there you have it. 3 brilliant and colourful ice cream cone cake pops. Enjoy! Today we're making Oreo popsicles, the all-time favourite cookie, frozen with ice cream. Absolutely delicious. So, here's what you're going to need. You need some coloured beakers, 2 cups of whipped cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some popsicle sticks, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2/3 of a cup of condensed milk, 2/3 of a cup of double cream, and 10 Oreos. Let's get started. To a mixing bowl, add the whipped cream, the double cream, the condensed milk, the sugar, and the vanilla extract. Give it a good whisk. Once combined, pour it into the 4 cups. We're filling a little more than 2/3 of the way. There. Now freeze those for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we're going to blend up the Oreos. Pour the Oreo crumbs into a bowl. Then remove the cups from the freezer and sprinkle on the Oreos. Just enough to cover the surface of each. Next, add a popsicle stick in the middle of each. Pushing them down about 2/3 of the way. And we're going to freeze this again overnight. When it's ready, you can carefully remove from the cups by slightly turning them. There. Doesn't that look delicious? Oreo popsicles. Who would have known something so delicious would be so easy? You can try this with a variety of different cookies and different flavoured ice creams. You can also add fresh fruit if you want something a little more healthy, and even do a version with yogurt. Use your imagination and tailor to your taste. Oreo popsicles. Enjoy! Here's a reminder of the ingredients you'll need.